In this video, I'm gonna answer the question, what cameras does CMF Phone 2 Pro have and how many megapixels do these cameras have? So first of all, we're gonna open the settings and scroll all the way down in order to find about phone, because over here we can find this information. So over here, as you can see, we have the information about cameras, or at least the amount of megapixels that they have. So for example, the front camera, which is the white camera, it has 16 megapixels. There is also, of course, there are actually 3 rear cameras that we can find on our phone, as you can see over here. And the main camera, the white camera, has 50 megapixels. The second camera is also 50 megapixels camera, but it is telephoto camera. And there is also the ultra wide camera that has 8 megapixels. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!